Hello everyone, welcome back to Everyday Kelly. My name is Kelly. So I probably look a little bit tired. I just got back from a little bit of a trip, and there's a reason that I look a little bit tired, but that is a topic for another video. I'll probably do another video next week, kind of detailing my travel experience. But today is a little bit more of a light, fun video. Um, I had the opportunity to travel to Beaufort, South Carolina. My husband had a business trip there, and so I went along with him from Toronto to Beaufort, South Carolina. And while I was there, I picked up a few things. When I travel, I generally don't buy a whole lot, but because you are kind of constrained with the luggage that you bring, and we didn't really have a big luggage. And I'm actually really surprised that I fit in my luggage what I did wind up buying. But today I thought I would just show you a little bit of what I bought. I've got a couple of unboxings. I did manage to go to the outlet there. So let's get into it and have a look and see what I bought. So the first thing I'm going to show you is actually something that I bought before I went. So I didn't buy this in South Carolina, but I was just so excited that I found it that I just thought I would share it with you. So I went to DSW before I went on my trip, and I found these really nice pink Vans. And I've never bought Vans before, and I've always wanted to give them a try. And I found these in the clearance section, and they were only $50. They were pretty much my size. They're a size 6. I probably could have done better with a 5.5, but I feel like the 6, I could do with the 6. I haven't worn them yet, but in just trying them on, I feel that they were very comfortable. So I think I might be converted to a Vans fan. And I really love this pink color. It even has the pink on the Vans logo on the back. So I'm really excited to get a chance to wear these. Okay, so let's actually get into the items that I bought while I was in South Carolina. So I went to Walmart. Walmart is quite a lot better, I find, in the US than it is in Canada. And I found this really nice sleep chemise. And it's very nice and cool for the summertime. It's got some scallop detailing along the edging here. And it's this like animal print with like a light pink background. It's very soft material. The straps are quite thick and soft and adjustable, which is really great. And it has this really nice crisscross detailing on the back. And I've worn it, so I don't have the tag on it, but it is actually really comfortable for sleeping. And I only paid $10 for this. So I did get a chance to go to the outlet that is about 40 minutes from Beaufort, and it's called the Tanger Outlet. I was saying Tanger, but actually it's pronounced Tanger Outlet, and there's two outlets in the same area, Tanger 1 and Tanger 2. And which is kind of strange, kind of inconvenient, I think, for the shopper, but because they are a little bit of like maybe a 5-minute drive from one another. But I went to both outlets, and in one of the stores that my husband and I went into, we found this really nice wooden handcrafted ornament that says South Carolina on it. It's really beautiful. It's got a turtle. It's got the lighthouse that is there on one of the islands there, and it's got a palmetto tree, which I think is like their official tree, state tree. And it's just really beautiful looking as the South Carolina. And so I think we're going to put this on our Christmas tree. When we travel, one of the things that we usually like to get from every place that we go is a Christmas ornament. And so I think that this will look really nice on our Christmas tree. Okay, so let's get into the exciting part, which is some of the unboxing. So I went into Michael Kors and I was looking around, and one thing that I've been looking for the longest time is a wallet to kind of match one of the Michael Kors purses that I got a few years ago, and that is the Whitney purse. And so I did manage to find a nice wallet that kind of matches it. It's got a similar leather, similar colors, and even though it's not an exact match for the purse, I think it will match really well. So here is the bag. So I haven't opened it since I bought it because they packaged it really nice. So let's look inside here. So this is the packaging. Okay. It's even prettier than I remember it. So yeah, so this is the wallet here. I'm gonna have a look inside. I don't know if it's got um, the, the tag that tells me what the actual name of it is. So that I don't know. So it's got the Michael Kors here, and then um, the canvas, the monogram canvas with the MK in brown. And then it's like this nice soft pink color on this part here and around the edging. And the zipper's very nice and fluid. It's just got the care instructions. And yeah, so it's just, oh, it does have the card in here, which is really nice. So this one is, so this one is just called the Jet Set Travel, and it's in powder blush. And I think I only paid, I'm trying to think, I think I only paid maybe $49 for this, so US. So that was a pretty good deal, and their taxes are quite low there. So I don't know if you can see very well. It's got another card here. It just kind of opens like that. It's got a little bit of a coin pocket in the middle, and then some spots on the side where you could put your cards. And then there's also some room for some more cards in the front and the back. So this is actually really perfect for me. The Whitney purse is kind of a medium-sized purse, and I think this will fit very well in that. If you're interested in having a look at the Whitney purse, I actually did a video a while back showing my entire purse collection, and that purse is in that video. So you might want to check that one out if you're interested in seeing what the Whitney purse actually looks like. But I think this will be a really good match for it, and I'm really excited to use it. Okay, so now this is the big one. So I went into Kate Spade, and I just have to say, in both of the stores that I went into, they were super friendly and super nice and super helpful. And the day when we went, it wasn't extraordinarily busy. Maybe that was why, but they were really attentive. So I just have to say that for the Tanger Outlet in South Carolina. But I went into Kate Spade. I don't know if you can see the bag. And I bought a purse and I bought a card case to go with it. So let's get into it. Let's get inside and see and unbox this. Okay, so there's my card case. So she did wrap that one up as well. Let me just get the receipt there so I can remember all the information about it. Okay, let's do the card case first. So I bought this cute little pink card case. This one is a Saffiano leather in chalk pink, and I only paid like I paid $23.70 for this. And so it goes really well with the purse that I bought, and I'll show you that in a moment. So it's got just your typical card case. It opens up in the middle, so you can put some bills and some coins, and then it's got some slots in the front and the back so that you can put your cards. And the pink color is just, yeah, it's totally me. And so here is the purse. So it's all wrapped up. So the good thing about this is I was looking at this purse on the store floor, and I brought the purse to the cash, and the sales associate actually went in the back and got me a brand new one in full packaging that no one had ever touched. So I don't know if that is something that is usual in times that when I've gone to the outlet here, I've never had that happen. I just figure because it's an outlet, you just take what you get on the floor. So it was pretty awesome that she went in the back to get me like a brand new one that had never been opened or touched. Okay, let's see. So it is packaged really well. Let me just take out some of the bits here so I can get this apart. There we go. Yeah, this has to come off. Okay. It's really well wrapped, so I'm having a little bit of difficulty here. Oh, I see what's stopping me here. It's this. Okay. I mean, at least this didn't come in the mail, but okay. So this is the purse. So this one is the Carson in a powder blush color, and it has so it is a saffiano leather. It pairs really perfectly with this card case, as you can see. So I'm really excited about that. So it's in the powder blush color. So it's in the powder blush color as well. I only paid $95 for this. And it actually is it feels very soft. So on the outside, it has the Kate Spade. And over here on the back side, it's got a nice little slip-in pocket there. And I think I'm just going to grab my phone. So I have a Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, and I've got this new case that I purchased for it that kind of makes it a little bit bigger. So let's see if it'll go in the back there. No, I didn't have this case on it, it probably would go into the back, but it doesn't go in with this case on it. But that's okay, because I wouldn't put my phone in there anyway. It comes with a nice crossbody strap, and you open it up, and let's get all of this packing out as well. This is why I don't really do unboxings very often, because I personally find them very awkward to manage because there's a lot of packing. Okay, so it does have a nice chain here as well. It's all packaged up. I'm not going to bother taking that off right now. It's got a nice chain so that you can wear it over your shoulder, or you can wear it with the crossbody strap, or you can take it all off and you can use it as just like a clutch. So it's really like a three-way convertible purse. And I don't know if you can see the inside. There's more packing material. Okay, the inside is really nice, and it's pink, and it just has like the Kate Spade logo on the inside. It's a good size. I actually really love mini purses. I've said that before in some of my other videos. This one is more of a smaller to medium, I would say. So my phone fits very well in there. Like I said, I've got that card case that will fit very nicely. And I'm just so excited. Once again, I went for the pink color. I said, oh, sorry, it's a chalk pink. Sorry, it's not powder blush. It's a chalk pink color. And I think they had it in like this really light kind of icy blue color. And I was kind of debating because I don't have any purses in blue, but I've said it again. I've said it before. I'm a pink girl, and I had to go with this really cute, nice light pink color. Yeah, I'm really, really excited to use this. That's why I wanted to do this video as quickly as I could so that I could start using this beautiful, beautiful, gorgeous, cute purse. So that's everything I bought when I took my trip. Like I said, it wasn't a whole lot. I don't generally go crazy, but I think I picked up a few really nice things that I'm really excited to use. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more videos that are similar, please don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you very soon in another video.